Struggling to focus and remember? Regular exercise and sleep can help. Moderate aerobic exercise, like jogging, boosts brain health. Exercise increases blood flow and promotes neurogenesis. Kickstart your day with a 30-minute morning jog. Combine exercise with mindful activities like yoga. Meditation reduces stress and enhances cognitive function. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule, 7 to 9 hours a night. Adopt a wind-down routine, like reading before bed. Quality sleep helps with memory consolidation. Good habits improve memory and focus naturally. Integrate short exercise sessions like quick walks. Light stretching before bed enhances sleep quality. Manage stress through exercise and sleep. Research shows better academic performance with these habits. Students who exercise regularly have better concentration and memory. Regular physical activity results in better memory recall. Integrate these habits into a balanced lifestyle. Exercise and sleep combined support overall cognitive health.